The University of Nairobi Alumni Association has marked 20 years of positive coexistence with the University of Nairobi, touching the lives of many students and linking with the rest of the university. In the colorful event that hosted various guests who had a moment to share together and express their joy for the long-lasting relationship they started back in February 2005.
20 years ago, a group of visionary leaders led by the University of Nairobi Council, the University of Nairobi Management, and alumni of the University of Nairobi saw the need to establish a structured network that would connect and engage alumni in meaningful ways.
The organization has had thousands of active members and has successfully disbursed bursaries to needy students, benefiting 3,832 of them. Moreover, they have successfully launched 17 chapter alumni associations and support various University of Nairobi activities both in cash and in kind.
I'm proud to report that our association continues to grow as we progress.
On her part, the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Margaret Hutchinson, commended the tremendous work the association has done, calling for more support from the members in the upcoming projects.
We are looking forward to actually transforming the institution so that when you come back with your support, you will find an institution that is responsive, that is adaptable, that is innovative, and actually moving forward.
However, the organization has had its share of challenges, from lack of enough members to financial difficulties. The association is putting in effort to curb these challenges to ensure it meets its objectives for the year.
We intend to ensure that we engage as many members as possible and continue updating our member register so that no member is left behind.
Engagement and support to both the Alumni Association and to our university.